Here's the drought update for September 20th, 2013. My name is Jeff Boying. I'm a forecaster with the National Weather Service in La Crosse, Wisconsin. Looking back at the precipitation that fell from September 10th through 17th, 1 to 2 inches of rain was found from Dodge Center northward to the Neilsville area. Another area of 1 to 2 inches of rain was located between Prairie du Chien and Wisconsin Rapids. Elsewhere, many areas saw less than an inch. Normally during this week, 1 inch of precipitation fell. As a result, there was very little improvement in the precipitation deficits across the area. Looking at the latest drought conditions, still have severe drought across west central and central Wisconsin and in southeast Minnesota along the Mississippi River. In these areas, this drought is causing problems with agriculture. Elsewhere across the area, moderate drought was seen. Looking at the precipitation deficits since July 1st, in northeast Iowa and north central Wisconsin, precipitation deficits range from about 4 inches to 7 inches below normal. Across southeast Minnesota, the precipitation deficits range from about 5.5 to 7.25 inches. In north central Wisconsin, precipitation deficits range from 4.5 to 7 inches. In west central Wisconsin, between 6 and 8 inches. In central Wisconsin, are still around 7 inches. And in southwest Wisconsin, ranging from about 4.3 to 7.4. Looking at the drought impacts across the area, this drought is mainly affecting agriculture. In the severe drought areas, we're seeing reduced soybean and corn yields on non-irrigated and sandy soils. This has resulted in some farmers having to chop up their crops for silage. In the picture over to the right is from a cornfield in Adams County. This field, the corn was basically tossling at about 2 feet. And most corn had less than 1 ear on them. The pastures have stopped growing. Some farmers did not get a third crop, and if they did, the yields were very low. Around 50% of the pastures in Iowa and Minnesota are currently ranked as poor or very poor. Some fruit was aborted or smaller than normal. Looking at the temperature and precipitation outlooks across the area, this is the upper air map, approximately about 18,000 feet above the surface. And the red areas show anomalously high pressure. Meanwhile, the blue areas show areas of low pressure. This is centered on September 27th, and it shows high pressure over the eastern United States and trough low pressure sitting over the western United States. In between the two areas, a storm track is located across the area. As a result, we are expecting to see above normal temperatures and probably above normal precipitation coming up during week 2 and into week 3. Looking at the week 2 temperature outlook, shows above normal temperatures across the eastern 2/3 of the United States and below normal temperatures across the western United States. The precipitation outlook, as expected with the storm track across the area, is above normal across the central United States and into the Great Lakes. Looking ahead towards the October and November temperature outlooks, it looks like temperatures will be above normal for the months of October. Meanwhile, for the month of November, temperatures are near normal to maybe slightly above normal. And this came from the couple of forecast system model, which is one of our climate models. Looking at the precipitation outlooks, unlike last week where it looked like we were going to see above normal precipitation for the months of October, it has tended to dry out recently based on the data that was received in the model from September 9th through 18th. and it was indicating that we would see below normal precipitation. Meanwhile, above normal precipitation is expected across much of the United States for November. This will improve the soil moistures, but will have little impact as far as improving either the soybean or corn crops. If you got any questions, here's my email. And thanks for listening.